So one of the things that always makes me want to garden is when I have something really pretty to use when I'm gardening. And these are some of the most beautiful, beautiful gardening implements and accessories I've ever seen. So this is all going to be artwork from the Royal Horticultural Society Library. How gorgeous is this? This is the chrysanthemums. This is the flora and fauna. Has little birds on it too, really, really sweet. So these are kneelers. We're gonna have a lot of options for you. These are kneelers. These are perfect when you're gonna be obviously in the dirt and you don't wanna be kneeling in the dirt and hurting your knees and everything else. These are imperative. If you need to do as much weeding as I do, you're gonna love these, and I've never seen ones that are prettier, and they're really, really beautifully made. So the kneelers are gorgeous in the carnation or the flora and fauna. Now we also have the gardening gloves, and I have to say, these are gorgeous. They're beautifully done. They're cushioned on the inside. They're really, really just very much the quality glove that you want. Once again, flora and fauna or the chrysanthemum. We also have a little twine in a tin. How sweet. Flora and fauna and chrysanthemum. Are these the prettiest ever? Then we're going to have an umbrella, and you'll have pictures of them. The umbrella is going to be your choice of the flora and fauna or the chrysanthemum as well. Then we have, oh wait, little watering cans. How beautiful are these? Those just make me want to have one by the kitchen sink to water the flowers and herbs in the windowsill. So once again, the chrysanthemum or the flora and fauna, love those. Then we have a couple implements. This is going to be so sweet. High performance garden tools endorsed by the Royal Horticultural Society. How great is that? So this is actually going to be, oh, I'm trying to remember what this. So here, this is going to be two of the implements that match the flora and fauna, and these are obviously perfect when you're, planting, getting down in there, making the holes. The secateurs that you're looking at here for pruning and trimming. And there's a quote on the inside of this that says, "The love of gardening is a seed once sown that never dies." And here is a beautiful, beautiful set. It's such a great gift if you know anyone who loves gardening. Perfect for Mother's Day, by the way. That's in the flora and fauna. Then we have this set of tools that is going to be perfect, that goes with the chrysanthemums, and then just the secateurs on their own that goes with the chrysanthemums as well. So beautiful options for someone who truly loves gardening, someone who really loves to have beautiful things, something that makes them feel so special when they go out and tend to their plants in their gardens during any kind of time that they have. I think whenever you truly love to do something, you love to have something special to do it with. So just choose maybe what piece you want or what design you want, and if you know someone that you need a great gardening gift for, there's definitely going to be a lot of things in this collection that they would love.